they tell us that the class width is 0.50, and they tell us to start with 0. So what you do, you take this first lower limit and add 0.50 to it, and get 0.50, 0 plus 0.50. That's what's given the class width. Will give you that. And just continue doing that along the left-hand side for your lower class limit. 0.50 plus 0.50 is a 1. And then the next one will be 1.05. I'm sorry, 1.50. Let me erase that, because we're adding 0.5 each time. There we go, 1.50. And then add 0.5 to 1.50 and get 2.00. And then add the 0.5 again and get that. And then now you just go back and backfill. What's the number right before, what's the number before a 1? Oh, I'm sorry, right here. What's the number right before a 0.50? Well, that would be a 0.49. And then the next row, you're starting at 0.5. Now, what's the number right before 1.00? That's a 0.99. And you'll also see on the left-hand side that the distance is 0.5 in between each one. And then this will be 1.49, because that's right before here. And then this will be 1.99. And this will be 2.49. And then this one will be 2.99. And then you go to those 100 data values and just figure out, like, let me look at your data. If the first one's 0.71, where would 0.71 be? It would be in here. So I just did a tally mark. Now that's going to be a long way to do that. I didn't realize we had so many data values when I emailed you. What I would do is I'd click on that. I'm at your problem now. I click on the left-hand side, earthquake data, to bring your data up. And then it says magnitudes, and right to the right of magnitudes is a thing to click to copy your table. So open in StatCrunch, click there and open in StatCrunch. And the first thing you need to do is sort your data. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to tell you why. So the way you sort your data, you click on the heading data and then sort toward the bottom, and then click on select columns. Click on VAR1, because that's where your data is. It's in VAR 1 column. And then what else do we have to do? I don't think we have to do anything else. Click compute. Oh, you're going to have to... Oh, I want to create a new column. And click compute. Sort by. Oh, sort by, sorry. Select the column. It's in VAR 1. Okay, and then click compute. So now you have 2 columns. And now what you do is click on graph, the heading graph, and then click on histogram. And choose, we want our histogram, we want to choose it. Oh yeah, by the way, you'll see this in a minute. Sort VAR1, that's a column we want to select. And then go down to bins. Start at 0. That's what our problem told us to do. And our width, what's our class? Our width is 0.5. And that's it. Click compute. And you'll see the histogram. And if you hover over each bar, it tells you what the frequency is. 10 is the first one. 32, 36, 14, 6, and 2. And I want to show you, you know how our problem told us to start with 0? That's the smallest value in your data set, and that's what you always want to start with. I hope this helps.